Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be opening up 4 boxes of 2022 Topps Garbage Pail Kids Chrome 5. This is the final 4 boxes of this 40 box case. Just so you know, going forward, we will continue the 72 box challenge. So this was kind of just a step aside to see what these blasters hold, and we'll do a recap on the next video and I wouldn't mind comparing to a hobby case. It's not significantly different, honestly. But let's see what we get here, and then we'll do a little bit of a comparison on the next video. At least do a recap. But by the way, it was 40 boxes, so a 40 box case we opened up. These are boxes 37 through 40. No big hits in the case. I think our best hit, we did get 2 blacks. So we were able to get 2 of the blacks numbered to 99. We also got an X-Fractor and a 1 C-name, so not terrible. Plus, I was pleasantly surprised that the atomic refractors, the 3 that are guaranteed in each box, they don't take away one of the cards. So I thought that was neat. Meaning, you get in those packs that have the atomic refractor, you get 5 cards in that pack. So I thought that was a neat thing. Did not know that, but I've never really opened up blasters. I've been primarily probably nearly 100% hobby. So a little bit of what's going on. So we'll continue on with the 72 box challenge. And the challenge is, just in case you don't know, if you're just joining, to get a 1 of 1. That's the challenge. I was surprised also. Wasn't surprised that some of the odds were significantly tougher to get here, but I was very surprised that some of the odds were significantly easier to get certain things. The 2 that really stick out are the 1 of 1 printing plate was about 3 times easier to get, at least by odds, here than in the hobby boxes. That was just surprising. And the artist autographs were also significantly easier to get in the blaster boxes as well. Now, unfortunately, I didn't get any of those. Well, I still have 2 boxes left, so who knows. Odds-wise, they're easier, those 2. All the other ones are either the same or more difficult to get. But overall, it's been, I would say it's pretty pleasant. You know, I've enjoyed opening up the blasters. I really like the atomic refractors. I think they're neat. I like them. So they're fun to see each time. And I really like they don't take any cards away. I really like that they don't. You know, you still get, like this one, you see I got 5 cards in this pack because one of them was an atomic refractor. looks like we got our first hit of this break, and it's a nice one. Nice aqua prism. Should be numbered to 199. It is number 101 of 199. Very nice. Monopoly. We'll put him there. Here's the rest of that pack. Man. Looks like we're getting another atomic here. Good old Unbreakable Barney in our last pack of that box. Alright, final box. Can we snag one last hit? It's tight. Box 40 of 40. Here we are. Gory Rory. I feel like I've gotten like 5 of him. Atomic refractor throughout the case. So are we going to add to that one hit? I think that's our final atomic. And the last pack of the case. Got our refractor, and there we are. Excellent. So, good thing we picked up one hit. We never had a 4-box break that we didn't have a hit on, which I think is nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Look at this. This one's stuck in there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we are. Okay, 12. Should have 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do. 8 refractors. Very nice. And our hit of the break is a 210B Monopoly, numbered 101 of 199. Well, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed these 4-box breaks as much as I did. They were a lot of fun. Cheap, fun way. I was able to get these for about, I did have a coupon, and I do get a little bit of a discount, but I got them for around $5 per box, so $200 for the whole case of 40. A lot of fun. A lot of fun to crack all that stuff open. So hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm probably going to do a quick update on the next video of what we hit in this case. Do my normal case update. And then we'll get right back to box 61 of our 72 box challenge, going for that 1 of 1. We're getting close to the end. Hopefully it comes soon. Thanks so much for following along.